What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price is continuing right now to dump further to my short-term target right here at approximately 75,000 US dollars or a little bit below. I want to talk in today's video about what exactly is going on. I also want to talk about this massive rising wedge, which is perfectly playing out all the way down to this Fibonacci level of the 0.382 on this chart right here, and how eventually we will be hitting my bear market price target down here in the 50K range. Guys, I want to talk about that in today's video. There's a lot of stuff happening in the market in the past 24 hours. I'm going to update you. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. It truly does mean the world to me. As you can see, I am back in my office now. It's absolutely amazing. I'm very happy. So yeah, amazing content coming from this office right now. Also, guys, don't forget to comment literally anything down below to enter to win $100 every single Monday. Today is Monday, if I am correct. So there will be a winner announced at the end of today's video. Another spare 2 seconds in your day, slap a like on the video and let's get on with the content. As you know, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch, engage, or click with any of my links in this video. Let's talk about the Bitcoin price, because right now, guys, it looks, in my opinion, I don't know about yours, let me know down below in the comments, that this bear flag, which we are all interested in, some people may be scared if you're a bull, some people may be very happy if you're a bear, but people are definitely scared about it. This bull flag, a bear flag right there. I always get bull and bear mixed up. I'm very, very dyslexic, unfortunately. So yeah, we can see right here, it looks like exactly is happening right now. And we are continuing down towards our bottom of the range of this bear flag right here, down at 70,000 US dollars. What does that mean? Do I think we are just going to dump down to 70,000 US dollars? Well, honestly, no. I think what's going to happen most likely, we will slowly continue down, maybe have a little pump, slowly continue down to potentially about the 75K range, have a wick up, potentially then go ahead and liquidate some people and then continue back towards the downside. I have in fact closed my Bitcoin trade. I'll update you maybe in tomorrow's video. I'm not sure about today. I've opened a couple of more trades and I'll tell you exactly why, probably in tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that. But again, then I think we're going to continue slowly down for this. But the thing that has people worried, guys, the most is the price target of this bear flag right here, because it's absolutely shocking and your eyes are probably going to start bleeding once you see this price target, because it's all the way down here at 40,000 US dollars. Now, I don't necessarily think the Bitcoin price is going down to $40,000. I think it's a little bit on the dramatic side, to be honest. Where we could start to see the Bitcoin price go down to is this kind of area though, which is of course within the target of this downward falling, the downward target, sorry, for this bear flag right there, somewhere between approximately 60K and approximately 47K. Again, if we look back on the previous bear market, this is exactly what happened right here. We went in this range. If we look back at the bear market before that, even again, we came down to this 200 moving average right there and touched it, kissed it, and then bounced back towards the upside. Of course, history doesn't always repeat, guys, but it does tend to rhyme, and it's the rhyming which I am trying to predict to hopefully make some money this bear market, and hopefully you guys can too. So my trades, what's going on? I am in a long position now on gold and silver. Of course, this trade is not actually so huge. I just use a little bit of my account size, probably less than 1%, to enter these trades. So I do want to start trading with a little bit of TradFi. As you know, over on Ubit, guys, one of my favorite exchanges right now. I'm trading on there literally every single day. You can see TradFi right there. And if you go over to the futures section right there, you can see right here, now we can trade metals right there, gold, silver, palladium, platinum, copper. We can trade stocks as well, MicroStrategy stock as well, Tesla as well. And you can trade oil as well, AI, DeFi. There is so many different categories, and I'm starting to trade some metals right now. I've not really traded it so much before. However, I think potentially it could go well. Of course, it's in a little bit of a loss right now. However, I'm going to manage that trade, and I will talk about my Bitcoin trade because I am planning to open a massive multi-million-dollar Bitcoin trade in the coming days. I'm potentially waiting. I'll give you a little bit of an insight before tomorrow's video. You'll see it. Probably it will be very clickbaity. So I'll give you the heads up now if you are watching. I'm probably going to wait until we do have another push towards the upside, potentially getting rejected from around about here and then entering that position. And if I do enter that position around about here, I'll be putting very, very tight stop loss, literally just here. And then if it does go higher, entering an even bigger trade up here, a short position towards the downside. So that is my plan right there. Of course, if you did want to go ahead and trade over on Ubit, guys, they are giving you a free VIP2 account. You can get 25% off trading. Usually you have to deposit a large amount to get that, but I've hooked you guys up. And of course, if you deposit $100 and you're going to get a $100 bonus as well. And there's no KYC for this exchange. Also, guys, you can go ahead and join Chart Chasers down below. There will be a new link, I believe, after this video. You're going to have to sign up to Chart Chasers using a bot, and I believe you're going to need to deposit $100 into Ubit, and that will then grant you access. I did tell you yesterday, the day before, and the last pretty much 2 weeks that they will be becoming a paid group, and now that has started. So if you are enjoying the videos on the channel, guys, I really would appreciate a like. Again, at the end of today's video, I'm going to do a giveaway, so I really do appreciate that. The views have been amazing recently. Your support has been amazing recently, and I'm very happy to be bringing you this content in a bear market, trying to get you through it, trying to get myself through it, because this is definitely interesting times for crypto. I am also potentially looking at a hyper liquid short trade. I know they've had a lot of bullish news recently, and that's why they've pumped like crazy. We can see over a 16% pump. I know there's been a lot of bullish news, but this is potentially a double top. I'm potentially waiting for maybe a triple top, and then I will enter the short position for Hyperliquid. But again, if we take a look at the daily chart for Hyperliquid, and again, I was plotting this out very, very briefly, it could have broken there, maybe a false break, and I am targeting potentially down here at about 26 US dollars. So that would again be around a 40% trade, and again with a bit of leverage, 5-10x, that could be a 2, 3, 4, 500% trade on that exchange, on Ubit, on Hyperliquid. So that's what I am targeting. I'll update you, of course, on the channel about that when I do that. When I do make that trade. And again, we can see the liquidity is building towards the top side. That's predominantly why I exited my trade. And again, I will update you probably tomorrow with all the details about that. I'm fully transparent with you guys. So yeah, the top side liquidity is in fact building. Again, there is a massive, massive liquidity wall up here above 82K up to about 85K. This is ridiculous. And I think it's just too juicy, too tempting for the market not to push up there. So we're going to see what's going to happen. Of course, it's a little bit boring right now in crypto. Nothing really too much is happening. If we take a look on this daily chart, in my opinion, we have in fact confirmed this bear flag right here. If we look on the weekly chart as well, we can see that we've had this is not even like a maybe. We've confirmed it close, this weekly candlestick. This is like a slap in the face kind of close. We are definitely in this bear flag right here, guys, and the target is scary. It's down at 40,000 US dollars. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. If you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please don't watch or engage with my content. If you did want to join any of the links down below, I've got Ubit for that exchange bonus right there, 25% VIP fee discount, and of course Chart Chasers right there. And if you wanted to copy some of my bots, you can also do down below as well. Thanks so much for watching the videos, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.